As we anticipate the reunion of Big Brother Nigeria Season 4 and look forward to the new season hopefully coming soon, let's reminisce and look back on jaw-dropping and iconic moments. The 10 times, iconic times that your favorite Big Brother celebrities trended. I'm your host, Sams. Do not go anywhere. Number 10 on my list is a Queen of Highlights outfit change at the middle of a Saturday night party. And why this is very iconic to me is because no one in all the seasons of Big Brother Nigeria has ever pulled such a stunt. And that singular act indirectly trended the brand Victoria's Secret after she intentionally flashed her designer's panties. Now moving on, in the number 9 spot is the Oppo phone incident. Now this season of Big Brother Nigeria had a unique feature of giving the housemates the privilege of capturing moments on a Saturday night party by using an Oppo phone. But in one of their drunk nights, Mercy, who was unhappy about Kedoni filming a rather drunk and vulnerable Diane, smashed the Oppo phone he had been using to film. Surprisingly, she got no strike from this act. Maybe just because of the fact that no publicity is bad publicity, because this act of hers had people talking about the brand Oppo. Gracing the number 8 spot is a duo of Diane and Ello, popularly known on Twitter streets as Diallo. The love story of these two was beautiful and also very dramatic to watch, with their secondary school love of just hugging and staring at the skies to a bikini party that led to their first breakup, and Ello's jealousy over Diane's imaginary relationship with MG. I must say that I was always entertained when I watched this too. A worthy mention is the way they always lit up the dance floor and ensured there was never a dull moment with them. The number 7 spot has to be this incident. The surprise and shock of Mr. Fresh and Odd aka Fraud shedding tears over Esther's refusal of his advances. That incident was nothing short of hilarious and confusing, but we got to discover that Fraud was an emotional guy and he wasn't scared of letting his emotions show, and we got to love and accept him the way he was. At the number 6 spot, I have to call this one an act of humanitarianism. Yep, I'm talking about the one time Seyi Awolowo won the Veto Power game of chance and won the privilege to save himself and replaced another housemate. However, it was actually iconic when Seyi chose to decline the opportunity. Everyone was stunned, and this act of his won fans over to him and the respect of the housemates. The number 5 spots for me this season was during the Pepsi challenge that required housemates to learn and sing the lyrics of some of Nigerian songs. This was obviously an issue for the British Nigerians who had difficulties in pronouncing some Nigerian words and phrases fluently. But Mike in particular stood out. His struggle with tennis song Case was such an iconic moment. He kept pronouncing MC Oluomo as MC Oluomo and singing off beat. But you have to give it to Mike. He's a funny guy and he showed a lot of humility and dedication towards that song and learning to kill it professionally. Number 4 goes to this guy, Ike Go. Ike the gangster, Ike the coin finder, and Ike the one who strategizes and runs people's streets. You all know that Ike is one heck of an entertainer, and over the course of his stay in the house, he provided us with back-to-back content. One of which was centered around his babe, Mercy the Lambo. Now, you guys know that Ike does not play with his girl. And when she had an issue with Seyi, he quickly and quietly inserted himself in the middle of the whole drama. And when I say this thing went from 0 to 100 real quick, it did. And it earned him the phrase, or perhaps the season, F the ice cream, my nigga. Number 3 spot has to be the one time the unapologetic Port Harcourt's first daughter, after being issued her second strike, got down on her knees to apologize to Big Brother. Our mouths were wide open because she expressed how much the opportunity meant to her and how she would never disrespect the platform. But what happened? After Big Brother cancelled her existing strike? Let's find out in the next number. Yes, in number two spot is a fight between Tata and Diane over the loss of the Veto Power Red Box. This was iconic because no one expected Nigeria's sweetheart, a rather petite Diane, to stand up for herself and take the fight to Tata's face. Tata was so stunned that she claimed Diane had hit her on her eye and called on Big Brother to issue a strike to her. But thankfully, Hercules, Elodonum, was there at that moment to pick Diane up and stop her from getting disqualified. But you guys know now, the most talked about fight of the season, yes, the fight and blow up that actually led to a disqualification has to be our number one. What started out as a normal, quiet day was quickly lit into chaos when silent instigator Cindy snitched on Mercy to Thatcher. A simple, not so simple, "Oh, Mercy said you are stupid," turned into a verbal exchange and physical assault after Thatcher grabbed Mercy's head twice. Mercy was at her wit's end and reached for an iron, while Thatcher reached for a bottle. As you all know, Big Brother sees everything, and when it was time for judgment, Mercy got two strikes and Tacha was immediately disqualified. Wow, guys, we are at the end of our list. Thank you for staying tuned, and of course, I want to hear from you all. What is your most iconic moment of the entire season? Let me know in the comment section of this post. I am Sams. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, and of course, tell a friend to tell a friend. The Plug TV Live is lit. And follow us on all social media platforms at Plug TV Live. Goodbye.